Get over that with speed. Take this with speed. Yep, perfect. Yep, perfect. Cleared both of them. A little marginal on that last. Whoa! Another one. Damn it! Okay, so now I'm on Bison Road. I ended up doing copper again. So that was a whole copper loop. And I had to really loosen up. I'm not feeling so good again. Yeah, look at all the trees that have come down. Holy buckets. I feel bad. I wish I could have helped, but you know, 3 hours away is not exactly something I'm gonna come here and just do. Can you imagine building this trail and having all these trees fall? Wow. Cedar Worth, you don't have Conundrum anymore. It's here. Holy banana boats. I'm up on the hill now. Way up on the hill. This is like backcountry. Yeah. New trail. To boldly go where no pivot has gone before. I can guarantee you, bank, that there's no pivots up here. Don't know about Banshee though. This might be the first Banshee up here. I'm the first Banshee ruin 2022 Banshee ruin up here. I can guarantee you that. Am I going the right way?
I just got a flat, so.
You know, I've been here 12 times and I've never flatted.
Oh, really?
The key is, I think full suspension helps, but tubeless tires.
Yeah.
They get slow leaks every now and then, but then, you know, you just put new sealant in them.
Right.
So, does this go into like something awesome?
I've never been on it. It's pretty good, yeah.
Sweet. All right, well, I'm gonna jumps, I hope.
Yeah,
Oh, there's a little jump there. It's my cup of tea. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna get pretty awesome. Oh, I cased it. I cased that one, but I'll come back through. Oh. Yeah, they've got like gappy jumps. They're not tables. Oh, well, that was pretty good. Now I'm on the other side of the ridge, going back up again. So they're building some crazy stuff here. I like tables, but I don't think I'm ever going to get enough speed. So backcountry was destroyed, but now you got this trail. So yeehaw. I'm not going very fast. I'm not even in a good gear. I'm just kind of, wow, plopping around. Anyone back here? There is another trail off of this dynamite, which I might do. I like this trail so far. There are some very narrow passages here. Don't think I got the rock. There's a rock peak that you go through two trees. I was like, no, I look too narrow for my handlebars. I'm all about doing that stuff, but when you've got rakes in the woods, yes, there's some rakes right there. Rake it out. Yeah, see, here's another one. I can do this one. Just kind of, yep. That one's fine for 800 millimeters. Plenty of clearance, in case you're wondering. Yes, I am riding 800, ooh. Well, this is pretty awesome. Watch that pedal downstroke. Wow. Just keep rolling. Oh, you stinky bog. Okay, that was not a clean. Holy buckets. He must be a local. Doing that rock garden, cleaned it. I didn't clean it. He cleaned it on a hardtail. So in case you're wondering, normally I can do stuff like this, but I'm not in shape for big rocks. Focus on the line. Follow through. Wow. Pretty awesome. So now I'm sensing some awesomeness maybe. Yeah, oops. Not in my, gosh darn it. Not in my pedal. Okay, so now we're getting into, okay. Hey man, this is my first time. Ooh, I think I'm doing pretty good. It's one rock thing after another, just like backcountry. This looks like it would be that looks like it would be a ramp. You hit this hard enough, fast enough. This trail right here is worth coming up for, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a jump or not. Oh! I'm gonna bypass that. Oh yeah, that's a rock gap. Okay. Yeah, I'd have to like do this trail a few times before I hit some of those. Pretty awesome. My back is like, what the hell are you doing to me? This is an awesome flowy area, for sure. Hey, next feature, you gotta ride without looking. No, I'm not gonna be doing that as much anymore. Tabletop, yeah. Scary. So these littler trees survived the storm, so they can grow up bigger, and in a few years they'll fall over on the trail. This is experience, for sure. This is the next level of me having my pedal stroke down. So, Constant Calamity Part 2, also known as Bison. There's one jump right there. I'm anticipating a downhill here pretty soon. I'm gonna take like a nice long break after this. Actually, what you're seeing here is one of the more narrow sections of this trail where the trees are very tight and close to the trail. You want to go slow here. But this area here did have some surprises for sure. However, this was the bulk of the trail, which I did not film. Yeah, but here's an outlook. There's a highway down there. I mean, I'm up probably like 6 stories. So there's going to be a downhill. But yeah, it's been like this for like probably half the trail now has been like this. So, I mean, once you get up here, it's pretty awesome, but you're going to have a heck of a time getting up here. If you're not an advanced rider, if you're an advanced rider, you'll be fine. Normally I would have cleaned this trail up to this point. And then, I don't know what to tell you on it. You know, that's a tabletop. No, that's a gap. So I'm not going to be hitting that one. But that's giving me hindsight that more stuff might be getting, we might be getting more of that here. Because I'm definitely not going uphill anymore. So let's see if I can hit the next one. I think you could call that a tabletop, but I'm not because of the way it looked. I come up to it. If I can't clearly see the landing, then no, not a table. Although I will be including, oh, see, this one is definitely, I cased it. Again, not a table. Whoa! Oh, here's another one. I do not know what this is going to be like, so I'm just going to kind of, yep, okay. So we're getting into the good stuff now. I'm very well aware I'm getting into the good stuff. That is a no way. No way. Oh, I cleared that one. Just barely. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, no, now it's getting serious. Do this again. Let's see how well I do on the second run. Oh yeah! Completely cleared it. Do this one, do this one, do this one. Oh yeah! Perfect. Yeah, you just need a little less speed. Now, I don't know what's going on for the rest of this, but yeah, that gap was actually pretty easy. I got it. I cleared it. I keep my thoughts going here. I do not know what's going to happen. So yes, finally added another uphill. I finally added a stupid stinking tabletop. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, here's another tech area. I'm really not sure